Hello friends, it's Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. How you doing today? Welcome to my channel. I'm participating in Rachel at Roxy Creations challenge for this year 2021, where she is doing a challenge every week, and it's called Roxy's Weekly Challenge. So the first week was making tags, and it was kind of like making simple tags out of book pages. So I had been watching all the different participants' videos, and I did a little preparing ahead of time because Rachel's challenge is to see how many you can make in 45 minutes, but I only do like 32 minutes or less on my camera. So I went ahead and got started, and I kind of did a little bit more than I should have, but I'll show you what I did, and this will be quicker than 30 minutes. So yeah, I worked on this for about 20 minutes so far or so and cut out all of these tags. All I did was take pages from an atlas. I took 2 pages from an atlas, an index page and a map page. And this is a decorative map page, not like one of the real maps. This was the page in the beginning, and it looks like an old world kind of map, but it wasn't a real map. It was just like the decorative one. See how it has different decorations on it? So for these, all I did was take, the atlas has, the index pages are really thick. So all I did was take it and back it with some masking paper. That's the painter's masking paper, and it's this right here. I've got this tan one that I need to use more of. As you can see, I have a whole roll there, and the green one, which I didn't end up using any green this time, but I did get it out so I could possibly use it. So far, maybe we'll use it for some backing or something here, or for some layering. I would like to do that. So anyway, I finished these for right now, what I'm going to do on camera anyway, or before I turn the camera on. And all I did was, after I backed it with the masking paper, 1 layer of book page, I feel like it's thick enough because that atlas page was so thick. And then I cut them out into tag shapes, as you can see here. Just cut them all out in tag shapes. And then took a napkin, 1 layer of napkin. You know how you take napkins apart and just use the top layer. It's right here, this napkin, right here. And I just tore the flowers out. I didn't even use my scissors. See right here where I just kind of tore them out. See, this is, you can see how I tore it. I didn't even cut it with scissors. And then I used my Craft Bond glue stick, like Mod Podged with my glue stick, and I just put glue on here and then put my torn piece on it. I like how that looks. And that's what Rachel was doing. She was putting some things on her tags that you could see through. I think that was what she said she kind of wanted to do. And I think that's really neat. See how you can see through the napkin? Isn't that cool? So I think these are really gorgeous, actually, just like this. But I'm going to put maybe an eyelet here and something pretty on, fabric ribbon or something on the top. And then I would really like to add a bulb pin and a charm or something too. And that's going to be done off camera because, that will take a little longer, but I'm calling those done for the video portion. And then I started working on these. So I have these travel related stickers here. This one and this one that I have not been using. Probably haven't touched these for a year. So I got those out. These 2 I found in a old vintage journal that I took apart and used the paper. And these stickers were in there, so I have those to use. And then I have some more book pages over here in case I need them, and some coffee dyed paper. So that's where I'm at. I have my labels here. I have some butterflies and my coffee dyed flowers from Dollar Tree. And whoops. And I do have my eyelets and my crocodile. I tried not to get out too much stuff because I didn't want to clean up a big mess after this. You know what I mean? I was like thinking, maybe I'll make this the minimalist tags and just get out like 3 things. But no, I couldn't do that. I had to get out a few more things and make them nice. Oh, I'm going to leave the pin off that. I might need to use that. Okay, so here's some labels I got out there. This is my little label keeper here. I just keep them in this little plastic. I used to just staples came in here, and now I put my labels in there. So cut them up and then I put them in there. So let's see what we can do with these. I think I'm going to call this one done. I added a little doily punch out, a butterfly, and one of those flowers from Dollar Tree. You can want to see what they look like with holes. The hole adds so much, you know what I mean? It just looks more like a tag with the hole. And I can put a, let's see, I think I want to use this because this one works better with my eyelets, and then I can put an eyelet in there later. As far as this is the right size hole, I believe, for my eyelets. See, there we go. And then these I have some little colorful eyelets too, like pink and green. I might use those in here for the flowered ones. And just those take my little, on the crocodile, those take this little tiny hole. So let's punch a hole in one of these and see what it looks like with the hole in it. I just love adding the hole. It adds so much to it. See, isn't it cute? Oh, adorable. Okay, so let's see. Let us see. So this one I put a sticker here. It's like a postmark and a label. And let's see. This one I added binoculars and a flower so far. Oh, and a label. You can't even hardly see it. It blends in so well, but a label right there. And is that all I added so far? Oh, here, this one I added Par Avion up there and a postmark sticker there. So let's see what else we want to add. Speaking of using some of this masking paper, I think I want to tear a piece off of here and possibly do some layering with this a little bit anyway. Let's just see what we can do with a piece of this. This green will look pretty with this matte paper too. So let's just see what we can do here. Because some of this needs something besides stickers, you know what I mean? It just needs something besides stickers. Okay, so can we, I wonder if I can put, because I was trying to get the washi off of here. There's some sticker washi on here, and I can't get it off. It's like, these are pretty old. It was a vintage journal. So I don't know, I might not be able to use that. So I wonder if I can use, like I was trying to put a piece across the top here. And maybe put a word over that, you know. So let's just try that. Let's see if we can glue this down with some, this is the craft bond. Let's see how this does with craft bond. The brown one, the tan one I just showed you, that masking paper, it's got a little shininess to it, like almost like wax paper. So that one I would probably use the art glitter glue, but this one, it doesn't really have as much, it's not as shiny as that one. So I wanted to see if the craft bond would work on here, and it looks like it might. We'll see. So let's see if it glues down. Yeah, I think it feels flat. Let's cut this extra off of here. And then see what else we can put on here. I have my words behind me. I can grab my words if I want to. Yeah, I like that. That really adds a lot to it. What do you know? Let's see now. I don't think I have any words over here. Well, I do have these words. Let's see. I don't know if these, I can get these off of here though. What does this one say? What of you, it says. Let's see if these will come off. Oh, this one's coming off. Okay. And I've used a couple. I used a label. That little label I showed you that blended in. So, this one right here. But I'm putting art glitter glue on the back of these so that they stick down good. Because like I said, they're a little old. So, what of you? So I'm going to put that right up here. Oh, that looks nice. I like that. Doesn't that look nice? I'm so glad I did that. Awesome. So pretty. Okay, cool. That is awesome. All right, so this one I think is probably done because I already put a label up here and that. I'm going to call that one done. This one I could put a word down here too. I don't think I'll put any masking on that. Let's see. This says World Traveler. Let's see if that'll fit down there because it looks like it would look good down there. Let's add some glue. See, isn't this fun? You get to use up some of your stuff that you haven't used in a while, and it's not, you know, it's going to be a one, you know, well, it's supposed to be 45-minute. That's part of the challenge. Did I say that? 45 minutes to see how many tags you can get done in 45 minutes, except I'm doing less time than that because my camera won't let me do. Yeah, that looks good. It adds, you know, there's like orangish, and that's orangish, and then you got that kind of reddish there. So I like that. By the time I add something up here, that'll be perfect. And so, yeah, let's add some more masking on this one. Let's see, let's see, where's the one we did? Here's the one we did already. How about a thicker piece, or do I want it thicker? Let's see. I think I'm going to try this thicker piece so I don't have any scraps. And I think I added the glue onto the tag first. And then, instead of putting it on the paper, and then put this down. And we'll grab another word if we have one. And then we'll see what we can put down here too. Okay, that is gluing nicely with the craft bond. So yeah, the hashtag for this is hashtag Roxy's Weekly Challenge. So you can search all the participants with that and just, you know, watch whatever videos you would like, or you can join in the challenge, or both, which is what I'm doing, watching everyone's videos and doing the challenge. That's fun. Okay, here's a bon voyage right here. Let's see if we can put that down here. That would look cool on this one. Bon voyage right there. I didn't put any glue on it though. Hold on. Hold on. Don't let me get ahead of myself. And put that down. So, there we go. Oh, that looks really good. Yeah, I like it. I mean, it could be done like that, just like that, you know. I don't know if I want to put something down here or not. It looks so, I mean, these could be just used just like this. You know, I'm just adding more to it to comply with the challenge. But let's see what else I have here. A little label maybe. That would be nice. And then you can add a date later, like this. If this was in a journal, you could actually, if it was big enough, you could actually write a little note on it, or a date or a name or something like that. Let's see. I'm thinking this one right here. Well, those are coming off of there nicely. Oh yeah, that would look good. And then you have the green and the green. That's really cool. This is working out very well. I'm getting quite a few done, but I did cheat a little bit because I did quite a bit before I turned on my camera, which I didn't mean to do, but I did. And I like what I like what Rachel said. She said there's not going to be any Roxy police out there, you know, trying, you know, punishing rule breakers. So isn't that nice? So that would be the perfect spot for a date or a number or a name or a little journaling even. And you can journal on the back. I like it just like that because I don't want to cover up too much the map. You know what I mean? It's very beautiful. Okay, this one has at the top, see this? These are the ones with the words, which I think I already mentioned. So these three don't need very much. Oh, here's another one with the words. Kind of like avoiding these because they don't need very much. Maybe just a label on these so you can have a place to write a date or something, which I have all these labels right here, which is working out very well. So we can get these done lickety-split. Quick like a bunny. And so we're going to count these in just a second. Ooh, I like this one right here because it's got this orange here, and now we have orange here. It's kind of a reddish orange, but it looks, doesn't it look beautiful? Okay. And so labels on these, and I'm going to call these done because I just love them the way they are. I love maps anyway. I'm kind of a crazy map person. Anyway, so getting ahead of myself though. Let me put some glue on here. So I was so excited all day. I was like, at work, it was like, this is the longest day ever. I knew I was going to come home and get this video, do this video. And I was like, this is the longest day ever. I'm going to do that video and have fun making labels when I get home. But the day would not end. It was like, when is it going to be over? So funny, right? Oh, I already used that one. Let's see, this little round one here looks like it would go because it's got burgundy, and this has some burgundy on it, wouldn't it? I think that'll be cute on this one. And I'm going to probably end this in a minute because I don't want to go over and get cut off. So let me just finish these two. Camera, don't cut me off. A label on here, orange. Let's see, I've got green. Green would look good on here too. Let's do this one. If I can get it off. It's in the middle here, so it's harder to get off. Maybe. I don't want to rip it. Some of these, like I said, this is old. Some of these are trying to kind of rip when I take them off. So I have to be careful. There we go. Got it. Yay. So I hope everyone had a great day. And here we go. We're going to count these tags. Oh, that looks pretty. See the green and the green? Those are really pretty labels. Okay, so here's what we did together and before the video. So this one we just added a tag. We just added that little tag. Added that tag, added a tag. This one we added the masking and the tag and the word Bon Voyage. We added a flower, label, binoculars, masking, and this one says What a View, Par Evian with post-a-mark, and this one says World Traveler. This one, label and postmark sticker. The flowers, the pretty flowers on book page. And this one has a doily, a butterfly, and a flower. And I'll tell you, I did this one before I turned on the video, and this had a lady on it that was not dressed. And I didn't even realize it until I cut it out and made it. I was like, oh my goodness, I got to cover that up. So I did, covered it up in that way. There you go. You don't even know there's an undressed lady under there. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed, and either join in the challenge or just check out all the other participants. So thanks for watching today, and I'll see you next time and in the next challenge. I can't wait. See you later. Happy crafting.